Hey guys, Brandon Gomez here, back again with another video. And today we're doing Gander Trucks Career Mode, race 4 out of 23 at Martinsville. So, practice, qualify, off camera, I'll meet you for the race. Third. Wow. That's our best qualifying time ever. Alright, let's go racing. Brett Moffitt has been dominant all weekend. This team's confidence is palpable. Pole winner, Brett Moffitt had a good qualifying session. Rain N-Finger crashed during qualifying, driving backup car. Looks like N-Finger got N-Fingered. Alright. We're short tracking at Martinsville. We get around Crafton. Sauter gets below us. Sauter just keeps getting away. We can't get to him. We almost got to his back bumper right there. We can't get him. We're on his back bumper. We ram him right there. We can't move him. We're on the curb right there. I can't get him. We're all over his back bumper. There we go, finally. Because Balicki was holding up Johnny Sauter, and our truck goes wide. We still move down in front of Sauter. Ooh, there's Moffat up there. He's stuck behind lap traffic! Oh, we ran into him. It's a big pack of lap traffic. My god. Ooh, we're gonna get him here. Oh, sorry there, Forrester. I'm gonna leave Moffat in the dust. 6 laps to go at Martinsville. Get out of the way, Dylan Lupton. We're just scooting away. 4 to go at Martinsville. Ah, we ran into the back of Nemechek. And that's our rival, Tyler Dipple. We move him, no problem. Oh, here he comes. Two to go. Oh, there's Decker up ahead. Why does my truck keep going up the racetrack? Oh, it's because I have damage. Last lap. We get into Decker. Because she was in our way. Jennifer Jo Cobb up ahead. Doesn't matter if we get her or not, because we get our first Truck Series win. Burnout time. Oh, we hit the wall. We haven't blown up yet. Not surprising. And we move up to 3rd in the points with 5 playoff points. That's us in victory lane. My number 69 Allegiant Chevy Silverado. Fastest lap, Brett Moffitt, 21.281. Most laps led, Brett Moffitt, 11. On the move, Rafael Lazar started 25th, finished 14th. Tough break, Dylan Lupton started 14th, finished 29th. Oof. We gained 85 fans out of that. Brandon Gomez wins at Martinsville. Is this the first of many? Probably. Maybe. 50-50. Check out this video.
You gotta get your act together. You keep driving like that, everybody's gonna be wrecking you.
Shut up, Clay Greenfield.
Just won your first race. That is awesome. Go party. Don't party too hard. We're racing next weekend.
See, Spencer Boyd gets it. What? Great job, your first hashtag win as a hashtag NASCAR driver. Thanks, Parker. Oh wait, I didn't... There we go, compliment. 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 Check out this video.
You got your first NASCAR win. Congratulations.
Thanks, Anthony Alfredo. Hey, you've got 500 fans. I think it's safe to say you were becoming a local hero. Hashtag, can I get your autograph? Thanks, Kevin Harvick. It's my favorite driver. How many videos is Clay Greenfield gonna send us?
You're doing a really great job here lately. It's been a lot of fun racing with you.
Okay. Thanks, I guess. Wow, another amazing race by @Brandon Gomez. I really hope that Brandon Gomez accepts my invitation and comes over to my pool party this weekend. I can't swim, so... Yeah. Hey, @Brandon Gomez, you gotta be more careful on the track. You totally ran into me. Shut up, woman. Screw you, Natalie Decker. I hate you. You guys thought I was gonna apologize to her. I ain't no simp. Okay? Contract options. Whatever. Next race is at Texas. My home track. That's gonna be the next video. That's it from me. Peace.